if you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Fortnite. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your voice chat experience. Step 1. Check your settings. Go to the Fortnite settings menu and navigate to the audio section. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that your input and output devices are correctly selected. Step 2. Test your microphone. Make sure your microphone is functioning properly. You can do this by testing it in another application or using the built-in voice recording feature on your device to confirm it's working. Step 3. Update your device. Ensure that your gaming device, whether it's a console or PC, is fully updated. Check for any available system updates that could improve performance and compatibility. Step 4. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat. Test your connection speed and stability and consider resetting your router if you encounter issues. Step 5. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting Fortnite can resolve temporary glitches. Close the game completely and reopen it to see if the voice chat issue persists. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your voice chat experience in Fortnite. If problems continue, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.